Welcome to the Compuware Workbench DDIO File Access module. Here you will learn how to use the Host Explorer to work with DDIO files. The shared directories and databases, often collectively known as DDIO files, reside on the mainframe. They contain the source code and other information necessary for the Abandade, Expediter, Code Coverage, and Strobe products. A utility program is normally used to access DDIO files. The following examples will show how the Host Explorer may be used instead. Problem 1. The timestamps for my load modules should match the timestamps of my DDIO members. How can I find timestamp information using Host Explorer? Solution 1. Find the DDIO timestamp by viewing the DDIO contents. Find the load module's embedded timestamp by browsing. Choose a DDIO file. Right-click to display the context menu and choose Show Contents. The Contents window will display. You will see the compile date and time for each member. To verify the timestamp in the load module, find the appropriate member in the load library. Right-click to display the Contents menu and choose Browse. The timestamp is embedded in the file. Problem 2. A new project is starting up and I need to create a new DDIO file and corresponding directory. How can I do that in Host Explorer? Solution 2. The normal context menu in Host Explorer at the ZOS files level contains the necessary option. Select the ZOS folder level in Host Explorer. Right-click to display the Contents menu and choose Allocate, then Compuware Source Listing Datasets. Enter the necessary dataset names, verify or change the other parameters, then choose Finish. A confirmation message will appear. Problem 3. I am not sure about the constant values in the source code in my DDIO file. Can I look at the code in the Host Explorer? Solution 3. Even though the DDIO file is vsam, the individual members may be browsed directly from the Host Explorer. Find the desired DDIO member. Right-click to display the context menu and choose Browse. The banner heading is seen at the top of the listing. You must scroll down to the appropriate area in working storage to view the constants. This concludes this module. Thank you.